Either in this video, I'm going to show you how to change clock color on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, you have to go to settings. Then from here you will find wallpaper and style. Tap on it and select the screen that you have clock added on. I have clock on my lock screen, so I'm going with lock screen. Now you just need to tap on your clock, and from here you will find some font style, some slider that you can make your clock text bold or thin, and at the bottom you will find some colors. Here you can choose color from here for your clocks. For example, I have just a white color right now. If I want to change it, then it will just change it like this. You can go with one of these according to your needs. You can go with gradient color. Here we just have gradient color like here. You can then if you can find the specific or your favorite color from here, you can go with the last one, where you will find the different types of colors, so many types of colors, and you can customize it. Here you can also customize the opacity. Here you can go with spectrum. That's mean you can also add a new gradient, color gradient, the combination of multiple colors. That's how you can just change your clock color on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it's pretty much fun. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.